Do you see that?
I need a queen on my team that deserve to find her thing. Come slide with a king, we gon' do everything. I need a queen with me that thinks with the team. Come by with a king, girl, I got what you need. I need a queen on my team that deserve to find her thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My day ones, what it is, what to do, what's up with the crew, period. I already did an edge tutorial before, but this one right here, it's gonna be real bomb. Edges is gonna be real sleek. I do not use Gorilla Snot anymore on my edges. As y'all know, in my previous edge tutorial, I used to use Gorilla Snot. I was like, yay, Gorilla Snot, go Gorilla Snot. You know, I was really pushing Gorilla Snot and shit. But the more and more I used Gorilla Snot, it was so hard for me to wash it out of my hair. So I just stopped. And I started using a different product. So a lot of people have been recommending this product to me, and I'm now like starting to you know, love it. Because when I tell you my edges be slayed all day, they be slayed all day. Like the whatever. Like so serious. So I'm gonna use this Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control. And this is in the, I think this is called Sweet Shine, but it smells so good, y'all. This shit smells so good. I just want to eat it. So, I'm gonna take my hat off and do my edges. And once I take this hat off, y'all, don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. All right. Woo! Ciao. So y'all see my edges now, right? Cavalier. Do you see that? Over and over, it just won't do right. Do you see that? Do you fucking see this?
So loud.
Next step. Put the scarf on. Put the scarf on. So I'm about to take my scarf off. And these edges better be laid. They better be motherfucking laid. The moment of truth. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all y'all, my day ones, period. Thank you for watching this video. I love y'all so much, my day ones. We out, period. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
You the one who walk around on fleek, huh? You the one that started from the bottom, but you reached your peak, huh?